From Bharat briefly. Top story. Dairy farm owner arrested in Hyderabad for using banned oxytocin. Pocharam IT Corridor Police arrested 56-year-old M. Rangia Yadav for allegedly using banned oxytocin injections to artificially increase milk yield in buffaloes. Why it matters? The use of banned hormones in livestock can contaminate milk with residues that pose health risks to consumers. This enforcement action impacts dairy producers in Hyderabad by penalizing the illegal enhancement of milk production. Follow Bharat briefly for the news that matters.